Okay, so tonight here at the Magic Kingdom, we're planning to stay for fireworks, but I want to get a snack to eat while we're waiting for the show to start. So I am going to go ahead and order from Casey's Corner. That's on Main Street. I'm just going to do a food order. And fireworks start at 9 tonight, so I'm going to do our pickup, I think, between 7:30 and 8, because we'll probably camp out around 8 to get a good spot. People line up like 2 hours to an hour and a half, hour ahead of time. I mean, if you're there an hour ahead of time, you'll still get a pretty good spot. So that's what I would recommend. We're going to do the corn dog nuggets with fries. And you have to get the plastic cheese to go with it. And then we're going to get a couple waters and a Coke. Okay, I'm going to view my order, make sure everything is correct. View my order summary, looks good. And I'm going to go ahead and say continue to checkout. And this is the part, even though we're not eating till much later, it's only 10:14 right now, and I'm not picking this up until 7:30 and 8 tonight, you still need to say purchase. And then when you get there at the correct time, you will say, I'm here, prepare my order. Now, you can see on this screen where you can change your arrival window if you need to. So don't worry about it. If your plans change, you can always cancel it or make modifications later. But just because I know that time will be busy later, I want to go ahead and place my mobile order early. So I think we're all set. So we are headed back. Even though I placed this mobile order around 10 or 10:30 this morning, it's 7:30 p.m. now, and we're headed to Casey's Corner. So I went back to the mobile order on my app, and I'm going to click I'm here, prepare my order. And then I get this notification saying that they're going to prepare my order, and they will notify me on the app or a text message or both if that's what I selected as my method of notification. So hopefully it won't be too long, and we'll just hang out and wait for our order. Okay, we got this notification that our order's ready at pickup 4, so that's where we're headed, and they'll have our food for us. Okay, we got our food from Casey's Corner, and they went ahead and processed our payment, and this is what the receipt looks like. So that order is complete. You can view all of your mobile orders and processed orders if you go down here in the right hand corner to the menu and go to mobile food orders. It'll show you, like, there's my one from ABC Commissary the other day, and then here's the one that we just did from Casey's Corner. So you can also come here if you want to create a new order. You would just search for the restaurant you wanted to eat at. So that is how you do a mobile order in the My Disney Experience app.